أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today our topic from Arabic grammar is fail ka istimal, the use of verb. In previous lectures we learned about mada और वज़न, the root word and standard, fail की तारीफ और उसकी पहचान, the definition of verb and its identification in the Holy Quran, and then we learned about gardan and sigha, and today our topic is fail ka istimal, the use of verb. We people have two topics in this topic. First one is fail lazim and the other is the fail mutaaddi. Fail lazim, the term used for fail lazim in English language is transitive verb, and the term used for fail mutaaddi in English language is intransitive verb. Fail lazim or transitive verb is such a verb which complete a sentence or which give a complete meaning. For example, we have a verb dhahaba. Dhahaba, it means that he went. Now in this sentence, and the complete meaning has appeared. We have another example, kharaja. Kharaja, it means that he left. Now here the complete meaning has appeared, and this fail is called fail lazim or transitive verb. Another example with us is dakhala, he entered. Here the complete meaning has appeared, and dakhala is also a fail lazim or transitive verb. The second topic in this is fail mutaaddi in transitive verb. It is a second kind of fail verb. Fail mutaaddi is such a verb which want object for giving a complete meaning or showing a complete sense. Then we have these examples of fail mutaaddi. Fataha, he opened. Now here he opened to whose? We people know fail mutaaddi intransitive verb by these two words, whose, Such a sentence in which the question of whose and to whose arises, then such a sentence or such a verb will known as fail mutaaddi. We have a verb fataha, he opened. Here the question of to whose arises, he opened to whose? Now it's become a fail mutaaddi and intransitive verb. Another example is zaraba, he killed. To whose he killed? Now zaraba is also an example of intransitive verb. The third example with us is nasara, to whose he helped. Here the question of whose arises, now it become an intransitive verb. Now we people, a Quranic example, khatama Allahu ala qulubihim. Khatama. In this the verb is khatama. It means that he sealed. Now the question arises, he sealed to whose? Then here the object is necessary for bringing a complete sense or complete meaning. Then in the Holy Quran, Allah Almighty bring the object for showing the complete sense of this verb and this verb, and this is an intransitive verb. Now in the meaning of this is khatamallahu, Allah Almighty sealed, ala qulubihim, whose hearts. Allah Almighty sealed his hearts. Now it become a jumla fi'liya, a verbal sentence. In the topic of murakkab tam, we will learn that the jumla fi'liya will start with a verb, and here this sentence is started with the verb khatama. Now we people should to learn about a verbal sentence in detail. We have the second topic, jumla fi'liya, verbal sentence. In this jumla fi'liya, we shall learn the three terms: fail ba fa'il, the verb with subject, fa'il zahir appeared subject, and maf'ul bih object. We shall learn three terminologies here: fail ba fa'il, verb with subject, fa'il zahir appeared subject, maf'ul bih object. We have an example from the gardan of fail mazi maruf, zaraba. he killed. Now in this he killed, here the subject has present but in the form of pronoun. He killed, he played the role of subject. In this the subject is hidden. Now such a verb is known as fail by file, in which the subject has hidden. Here its meaning is he killed. Now in this he is subject and it is hidden in this verb, then such a verb is known as fail by file. Fail by file verb with subject. Its another example is nazra, he helped. And this he is hidden and he play the role of subject, and nazra is also known as fail by file. All the verb which come according to zaraba or fala will known as fail by file, the verb with subject. Another example in which we people show the file in actual meaning or in actual form. In this Hamid ne mara, in this the file has appeared Hamid killed. Here the actual name of subject and subject has brought instead of he. In this Hamid killed, and in which sentence the subject has come by name, then such a subject is known as file zahir, appeared subject. Zaraba Hamidun, in Arabic language Zaraba Hamidun, Hamidun is file zahir, appeared subject. Now we people brought all the three parts of Jumla Fi'liya, subject, verb, object. Hamid ne Mahmud ko mara, Hamid killed Mahmud. In this the extra word come with us is Mahmud, object. Now the object is known as maf'ul bih in Arabic language, and it will be appear by the i'rab of do zabar. Now it becomes that zaraba Hamidun Mahmudan, and the file will appear by dama tanween. And we learned that in our first topic, harkat or i'rab. Now in this sentence, Hamidun is file zahir, Mahmudan is maf'ul bih, zaraba is fail. Now we people brought a pronoun on the instead of object. Usne usko mara, he killed him. Now for this we should to learn the pronoun. Here the pronoun of objective case will use, and from the attached pronoun we will bring it. Now we have the sentence usne usko mara. For mara we have the verb zaraba, and usne it is the subject and it is hidden in zaraba, and usko it is the object and we will appear it by a pronoun zarabahu. We will attach it with the zaraba with fail, and the rule here has derived that when we people bring a pronoun on the place of object, then we will attach the pronoun with the verb and bring it before the subject. Now we people bring the appear subject in this sentence. We put the subject on the place of pronoun. Hamid ne usko mara, zarabahu Hamidun. Here the complete rule has appeared. Another sentence with us, Ustad ne mara, teacher killed. Now the sentence in Arabic language will make zarabal muallimu, Ustad teacher is subject and it will appear by dama. Now it made a zarabal muallimu. Then when we people change it to the nominal sentence, then it will be made al muallimu zaraba, because in nominal sentence the first part is a noun and al muallimu is a noun and zaraba is a fi'l, and here it come as a predicate, as a khabar. Now for dual it will made do asaza nimara, two teachers killed. Then here we will bring ane, which is the symbol of dual in subjective case. Zarabal muallimani, two teachers killed. When we change it to the nominal sentence, then it will made al muallimani zaraba. It is therefore made zaraba because alif is the symbol of tasniya in the gardan, and al muallimani is for dual. Now for plural, बहुत से असातिज़ा ने मारा, many teachers killed. Now it will make ضرب المعلمون, and when we change it to nominal sentence, then it will make المعلمون ضربوا. U is the symbol of plural in Gardan. Jazakumullah.